Good afternoon, everyone. Anthony Wall Street Trader, 4:16 p.m. Eastern Standard Time on Friday, November 26, 2021. This isn't financial advice, it's educational. We're here to talk about STORJ. Let's get right to it because I have a cold and I don't know if I can stand for more than 2 minutes. However, I'm excited about doing this one. We did a nice spike all the way up to 323 or so. Very nice rally last night. I tweeted it out. But with everything else going on, it was kind of like the worst time for this to rally. I mean, it would have been even better. I think the outcome would have been a lot better for STORJ had we not had this Bitcoin pullback that we're looking at right now in the market. However, we did hit a nice high. We did pull back. No questions asked. We talked about it on the last video. These two lines coming together to create the bounce that we wanted. And boom, that's exactly what we did. We repelled that price action up nicely. It is starting to come back down. We did retrace all the way back down to 264. We'll figure out where this thing might be next. Now, if we zoom out here, you have to take the consideration that this thing could pull back to 235 or it could continue its rally. A little hard to see where the next stop will be, but we did. This was where we were. We were literally at the top. I think we could have taken on that all-time high back here at $4.08, but we didn't. So anyway, we have another few shots at this all the way back here. Multiple times we've hit the $3 mark in the past. So we'll see how this thing plays out. But again, looking like we could be in for 233 locally in terms of area of support, maybe 224. But in the meantime, let's go take a look over at STORJ Bitcoin. This thing has been on a wild ride as well, obviously. We do have a possibility of the same thing like with the dollar version of this. 4,000 is roughly the area this thing could pull back. Again, 20% pullback is possible, not necessarily likely. We do have this line of support as well here that I will continue to keep drawing out, and we'll see how that reacts. In the meantime, going over to Bitcoin, we clearly bounced down. Could be bearish signal here. I'm going to zoom out a little bit, but we have a line of support around 54K. We'll see how that holds up. Did pass our blue support line, so a little concerning there. In the meantime, Bitcoin dominance pretty much down. We did spike for 1%, came back down. A little worried about, I think it went up 1%, which is pretty dramatic for a very short period of time. Did pull back. Now we're looking to see what happens next. But right now, doesn't look like a whole lot of fear in the crypto market to me, judging Bitcoin dominance currently. So I have to see everything else play out. But right now, STORJ 266. Keep you posted on Twitter.